Now, types of sentences according to functions. You have already learned in earlier classes that sentences can be broadly classified into 4 categories according to their function. Here's a quick revision. Assertive sentence. These are sentences which state something, a fact, opinion or idea. The vast majority of sentences are of this type. For example, I get up early. So children, what do you understand by declarative sentence? Declarative sentences are also called assertive sentence, and these sentences state some facts. We put a full stop at the end of a declarative sentence. For example, Mahima is cleaning her car. I study in class 8. Right? Now, interrogative sentence. These are sentences which generally ask question. What is a sentence? Did you say tomorrow? Occasionally, interrogative sentences can express a request, an offer or a threat. For example, would you please help me? Shall I take your luggage? These are the examples of interrogative sentence. Children, these sentences ask question and we put a question mark at the end of an interrogative sentences. Do you like the film? Interrogative sentences are of 4 kinds. Right children? Yes, no questions, yes, no types are questions that need either a yes or a no answer. For example, are you American? No, I am not. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I do. Second kind of sentence, WH questions are questions that are asked using question words such as who, whom, what, when, where, why. For example, what is your name? Where do you live? These are the example of WH questions. Now, tag questions. Children, tag questions are interrogative fragments that are added at the end of the declarative or an imperative sentence to form question. Your pet loves you, doesn't it? They haven't slept off. They have. Now, 4 type choice questions are questions that provide a choice. The answer to the choice question is in the question itself. For example, would you like to go to Singapore or Bali? Now, the third type of sentence is imperative sentence. These are sentences which demand something or express an order or request. For example, give me that book, close the door, please show me the way to the station. Such sentences have the second person pronoun, namely you, as the unstated but implied subject. They are also always in a simple present tense. So what do you understand by imperative sentences? These sentences expresses a request, command or a piece of advice. For example, obey your parents, your teachers, please make some coffee for me, or you may take the metro up to Rajiv Chowk. These are the examples. Now next, exclamatory sentences. These are the sentences which exclaim or express a strong wish or a command. For example, what lovely roses these are. May he live long. So what do you understand by exclamatory sentences? These sentences expresses certain emotions and feelings. We put an exclamation mark at the end of exclamatory sentences, and the examples are what a lovely idea it is, how beautiful the parrot is. These are the examples of exclamatory sentences. Children, I hope you understand this chapter. Read the chapter. If you find any problem, if you have any problem regarding this chapter, kindly mention in comment section. Thank you, children.